How to sign up for the ExpressVPN affiliate program. Hey guys, today I've got something exciting to share with you. How to sign up for the ExpressVPN affiliate program and start earning commissions by promoting the fantastic VPN service. So let's dive right into it. As you can see this interface on my screen, you can easily access it by clicking the link in my description box. Once you click the link, you will land on this page. Here you will find all the information about the ExpressVPN affiliate program. It's a great way to earn commissions by promoting a top-rated VPN service that people love. Then click on Become an Affiliate. Click on Apply Now. Now it's time to fill out the application form. Provide your details including your name, email address, website URL and other required information. Make sure you read and agree to the terms and conditions. Once you have filled out the form, double check everything and then hit the sign up button. Your application will be reviewed by ExpressVPN team. After a brief review, you'll receive a confirmation email. This email will contain important details about your affiliate account and how to get started. And that's it. You're now officially an ExpressVPN affiliate. You can log into your affiliate dashboard, grab your unique affiliate link and promotional material and start sharing them with your audience. Inside your affiliate dashboard, you will find statistics, commission details, and all the tools you need to track your progress and earnings. So if you're passionate about online privacy and security, you want to monetize your online presence, the ExpressVPN affiliate program is a fantastic opportunity. Start promoting ExpressVPN and earn commissions for each successful referral. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. If you have any question or need any further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below. Happy affiliating and I'll see you in the next video.